Hello, my lovely Kipris. This is Srividya, and we'll be doing a love relationship reading for the month of December. What's coming up for you in the first half, what you're going through, what is coming up for you in the second half, what your partners feels about you. Definitely, there has been some ending I'm getting. So let's dig deep into the matter. What has happened with you? Okay. Bottom of the deck, Five of Pentacles reverse. You are recovering from a loss. You are grieving it. Current self for my Caprice. Current self card for my Caprice. Current self card for my Caprice. Okay. I I won't be taking two cards. Please give me one card. You might be connecting to an Aries, Leo, Sag. Current self. Current self for my Caprice. Wow. Seven of Cups. Crossing card. Crossing card. Wheel of Fortune. Wow. Very good. Okay. Crowning energy. Ten of Swords. Past. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? What happened in the past? Ace of Pentacles reversed. One more card to clarify past. One more card to clarify past. Nine of Swords reversed. Okay. Your crowning energy. Queen of Wands. You're being very much passionate towards your work or your life. Future card. Empress reversed. Good. Ace of Wands. Very beautiful card has come as the bottom of the deck. Ace of Wands. This represents a new beginning, a new phase in your life. The beginning. Okay. Now the beginning comes with some past person who is returning in your life, and because of this I am seeing that you are having so many options and choices. Currently luck is favoring you. Wheel of Fortune is Aries, Leo, Sag energy. It could be connecting with it. The Empress is Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and the Queen of Wands is Pisces, Aries energy. So Gemini, Libra, Aquarius is also here. So you could be connecting with any of the sign. Currently, I am seeing that you are at a juncture where you are having so many options. Earlier, you might have been deceived. You have been, in fact, backstabbed, and that is what your higher self is telling you to concentrate upon. Don't forget what has been done to you, because someone is returning and someone else is also proposing to you. So you are having so many options and you are being very much passionate and maybe happy towards currently you are happy, but in the past I see you were shattered. Okay. Current energies, please clarify current energies. Please clarify current energy, please. Wow, see, you are having the offer. What I was telling you, you are currently only you are having the offer, and the devil is reversed. So please be very careful, because the person who is bringing you the offer, there are more than one person that I am seeing. One is the past person, and he is very obsessed with you. So you need to be very careful in the choice that you are going to make. It's a very, it's a very beautiful card when it comes in the current scenario. Wow. And your luck is also favoring you. The trauma that you suffered in the past has now brought something good in your life. You suffered a lot and now something good is coming, but be very careful regarding your choice. Okay. Please show me the past. What happened in the past? What happened in the past? Clarify the past. Clarify the past, please. There could be a third party situation. Your partner must have been juggling with you in the past, and the commitment that you were waiting for in the past didn't come to you, and you were shocked that what happened. You didn't expect this to happen because you were in a long term commitment, and you were so much depressed by it, so much shattered by it, you couldn't sleep at night, and you were in, like, some of you might could have taken antidepressant for this, and there was a third party involved also, situation were not balanced. Okay, why 10 of sword is here? Why 10 of sword is here? The tower. See, the tower is here and the 10 of swords is here. This means the cycle is not over as yet. This is fire energy, Aries, Leo, Sag. Could be connecting with any of them. And if the tower has come with the 10 of swords, you need to be very careful regarding the choice to be made regarding the past partner, or if it's a new partner, you need to learn the lesson that you have not learned, not too easily swayed by someone. This is a weak foundation and you have been backstabbed in the past. You need to be very careful regarding making your choice. The choice is now, the ball is now in your court. You have to make a decision. Be very careful. This could, some of your choice could be very disastrous, so be very careful. Now, Queen of Wands, here I see you that you are very much passionate in, in your personality, in your endeavor, and you want to bring happiness for you, and you want to like shine like a star. Clarify this Queen of Wands. Clarify this Queen of Wands. You are very fiery kind of a person. Could be connecting with an Aquarius also, and the High Priestess is also here, Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio energy. So this shows that you are not fully healed. Still, you are being very much charged up. You need to first, the High Priest, how she is. Queen of Wands is also a very good energy, but right now the guidance that I'm getting to tell you is that it's time to first observe and then to take action. You are being in a very action mode, action taking mode, but this is, and a dreamer also. You being very passionate, but you are a dreamer as well. You don't want to face the problem. You're being a bit immature. I'm saying you're being a bit immature, and in some cases you are in some cases you feel like, no, this is not possible for me. This is like hopeless. This is a gone case scenario for some of you. I'm getting, you're thinking, so you're moving ahead in other direction, but in other direction also, if you have not learned the lesson, the same thing will repeat, so be very careful. Okay, why the Empress is reversed in future? Why the Empress is reversed in future? Food. Wow, beautiful. Now see, the energies here is that in future you are going to take a new direction, and if the Fool is like not facing the Ace of Cups, this is like you want to, and the Empress is also here. For me, this means that you are like not interested in any of the offer that is coming to you for your future, for the December month. I'm saying you will be working out of that Ace of Cups scenario, and you will be concentrating about on yourself first, and then later, if you feel like if someone is really worth enough, if that person is really worth enough, he'll come back to you. He'll definitely be with you. Even if you don't want to be with him, he'll be with you. So you need to like take care of yourself first, because you are a very passionate and cheerful and charming kind of individual, but easily swayed also, and sometimes you become headstrong on things. So you need to be very careful about what to choose, because you have so many options to choose from. Now let us get some. Okay, well, first of all, I want to get a guidance for you. Please give a guidance to my. Okay, the guidance is Two of Cups reversed. So this means that be not be you need to be very much patient. You need to be, you search for the truth before making any commitment, because the emotions that you feel and the level of care that you show might not be reciprocated. So first dig deep and then make a choice. You have a choice that I'm seeing. You have a so many choices you have. Good, very good. Now let me get some card regarding the partner. What your partner feels. I'm guided to take two cards, one for the ex and one for the new partner. So Let's see what is coming. For the X. For the X, I'll be picking cards from here, and for the new partner, the cards will be here. For the X, please show me what the X is feeling for my Capri's currently. What the X is feeling for my Capri's. Please show me. Wow. Now the X feels a major loss of you. He feels that the world has, shattered with you gone. That was a long term commitment. Some of you could be married. So he, misses those happy moments and those fulfilled family. In some cases, you used to give money also to this person, and he was totally dependent on you, and he misses that. What he is hiding from you, what the ex is hiding from my Capri's, what the ex is hiding from my Capri's. Three of Wands. I need one clarificatory card for Three of Wands. Clarificatory card for Three of Wands. Clarificatory card for Three of Wands. Okay. This is some of you, the ex that I am seeing is that they has already made a choice in the future, and they cannot give you the stability now that what you need. So he is hiding it from you. He is already stuck somewhere. Okay. What he is intending to do with my Capri's in the month of December? Oh, he is going to check on you, my dear Capri's. He looks in your at your Facebook pages, whatever you upload, your WhatsApp status, everything he keeps track on. One more thing that I would like to ask: what is the future of this relationship? Please show me the future of this relationship. 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 Okay. Now, the Chariot is here. So, Cancer, some of you could be connected with Cancer or Aries, Leo, Sag. In the future is not very sound, this is with him, with your ex. He is not approaching you in the near future. I'm talking about, not in the later future. In the near future, he's not going to communicate to you. He's stopping himself to approach you, although he wants to, but he is like, watching you from distance. He's watching you from distance. Let me get some cards for ex of my Capri's, what you would like to say. I don't know if I can meet your expectations. Obviously, he's not going to offer you some stability, some offer. Would you reject me? So it's like, he is stopping himself from communicating to you and coming to you because he definitely feels that you're not going to accept this time. He is afraid of some rejections, and he feels that he's not worth enough. One more card. I've got two cards. I just have to do something else right now. Please try and understand. He is busy somewhere. Some of this could be married. I'm a better person because of you. This relationship taught him a lot. So he has become a better person. Okay. And I miss you regardless of how things seem. So definitely, as I told you, this person is missing you. The family life that you both had, the commitment you both had, he misses this a lot. Okay, now let me get some cards from the new partner. From the new partner, I'm getting some new partner vibe also. New partner, please shuffle the past energies. Bring the past energies. And the new partner energy, please come in. Please come in. New partner energy. Please show me what this new partner feels about my Capri's. Okay. New partner energy is here. What's the beginning? My God. Okay. Show me what this new partner feels about my Capri's. Page of Wands. You know, he wants to initiate some passionate talk with you, some message. He wants to he might be messaging you, and communicating to you, but he's a page. He might be younger than you or immature. And five of cups, so he, the new partner, also is has walked out of some relationship. He also had some past, and he is like regretting the decision that he made in the past. How he sees you, how this new partner sees you, how this new partner sees my Caprice. See, Knight of Cups, this man is going to come and propose you. He's coming, he's coming with chocolates, flowers. Okay, could you please show me the real feelings of this person for my Caprice? Real feelings, the hidden feelings, the hidden feelings for my Caprice, the hidden feelings for my Caprice, the hidden feelings for my Caprice. Wow, the Empress. He sees you very motherly, very caring others. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. This is so. He's like, he sees you abundant in yourself. He sees you like you are like a wifey material, a person to be like. He just cannot resist himself. Your personality drives him crazy. He loves you, but I am sensing that he's younger than you or immature. This person is also immature. Future of this relationship, please. Ace of Pentacles reversed. This might be that you yourself are denying the new beginning, because you feel that this is not the time, or the person is not ready. So you are holding back your pentacle. Even if he is offering to you, you feel that he is, kid in front of you, a very childish kind of energy. Please give me some cards regarding the new person. Shuffling to get energy of new person, releasing the past person's energy. Shuffling to get energy of new person, releasing the past person energies, and shuffling to get new person's energy. What he feels about my Caprice. What he really wants to say to my Caprice. Your beauty cascades over me. I told you that he is like immensely fascinated with you. Immensely fascinated. What he feels about my Caprice. You're a diamond of immense strength and beauty. Beauty. He is like, you're so much beautiful. My dear Caprice, you're so much beautiful. Sometimes I feel, oh my god, again 2 cards. Don't think I don't care about you, because I really do. Your words keep ringing in my head. So it's like you must have said to him that this relationship cannot go further. You must have said something to him, and that is haunting him, because you must have said that you are like, you don't know what a relationship is, how a person cares for others. But he really desperately wants to show you that he really cares for you, and he is maturing up. He is doing whatever he can to bring you with him. So this was your reading, my Caprice. Please let me know how you resonated with it. This is Shiv Vidya signing off. Bye.